Alright, in this video, I wanted to show you guys this cool NFT game. It's called Trade Race Manager. And what you do is you pick crypto coins, and whatever one performs the best, your car wins. And it's free to play, but if you buy an NFT, and depending on how rare it is, then you get bonuses or you get multipliers for having an NFT instead of. So, like, I've been winning a couple races, and if I would have had an NFT, I would have made more IOI, which is the token that you can buy the NFTs with. I talked about IOI in my last video, and it's doing pretty good. It's in a nice little run. And this game's pretty cool. Like I said, it's free to play, so I'll leave a link in the description and in the comments, and you should use my link if you want to support the channel. It's actually a cool game, and I'll show you it right now. Okay, so here's what it looks like when you log in. All you pretty much do is set a username, log in with your MetaMask, and you come to this screen right here. After that, you can pick from the races over here, and you could do like a fast free race right there, and you pick a race. I'm just playing for free right now. This is a free car. Hit continue, and then from here we got a bunch of different coins that we could pick from. And so what I did is I have another window open, and I have TradingView open. And what I did is I set up my watch list with another little group of coins right here. These are those coins that were on that page. And what I do is I'll skip through them and kind of see what's being volatile right now. It looks like basic attention token might be running a little bit, so we'll do that one. And then what else can we pick? We just look through them and see what's volatile. Maybe ADA. Let's see, BAT and ADA, and then maybe ZIL, or yeah, I think that ZIL looks pretty volatile, or it looks like it might be moving right now. So ADA, ZIL, and basic attention token. Let's do those ones. So we go ZIL, and then ADA, and basic attention token. And I think this one was running, look pretty decent. Let's see. It gives you the chart right here too. You could also look at the chart right here. Let's just do it randomly. I don't even really care. The last time I did it kind of random, and it worked out pretty good. So let's do something like that. You could do long or short, and then you could do 2x or no 2x. I've just been doing 2x, and yeah, that's it. And then we'll go to continue, and then we'll do start race. And so the race will start in 2 minutes, I think it is. Let's see, depending on. So yeah, it says get more here. You don't have an NFT card, choose one to get maximum prize pool. Marketplace. So if we go to the marketplace, we can see the different cars, and we'll take you there in a minute, and we'll just go to continue and wait for the game. But in the meantime, we could take a look at the prize pool. So here are the prizes or the rewards you win for basically winning these races. So if we're in first position, we get 0.1 for a non-NFT. For a common NFT, we get 1 token. For a common rare, 1.5. For super, 2. Super rare, 3. Epic, 4. 6, 8, 12. This is if you're in first place. If you get second place, there are these levels right here. So even if you don't have even if you didn't buy anything, you could still win .1 if you come into second, first, second, or third. And then I think you did get .01. It says premium right here. I've came in top 10 a couple times, and I got 0.01. All right, so the race is starting. So basically, we picked those tokens, and now we have a percentage gain or loss right here. And right now I'm down a little bit. I'm in 60 place, or place 60, and here are the top winners. You can hover above them, and you can see what they picked. And this guy shorted basic attention token, VeChain, or I think that's VeChain. And then yeah, so right now I'm 47. You could also come over here. If you hit this gas icon, you can see your positions a little bit more. You can see what coins you picked and how good they're doing. Right now it looks like Cardano's moving up a little bit. We're in 55th place, and yeah, I'm not sure. So here's the timer right here that has 11 more seconds, 10 more seconds, and let's see who wins. I'm in 40th place, so doesn't look like I'm gonna win, but top 10 will win you something. Like I was showing you, the top 3 is gonna get you a nice little prize. I think I just won. I think it was like top. I just got like second place on one, and I think I got like 0.1 or 0.12 or something like that. So that was just playing for free. So I thought that was pretty cool. I think I actually came in first because it says 0.12, and that's a non-NFT. I mean, in the last race, I didn't win anything in this one, But yeah, so if we go to refuel, we could just start all over again, come back, hit continue, start picking into our coins. What I'll do again is just go to trading view again and check out the same tokens and see if anything is being volatile. We can just run through these real quick. Let's try it again. And I'm not, maybe this one, ADA, looks like it's moving up, and looks like TRX is moving up. ADA, TRX, and what else do we got? We just gotta pick three. Let's go with Chainlink. ADA, TRX, and Chainlink. So go ADA, TRX, where is that? TRX, and then Chainlink, I think I said it was. Okay, so let's just go hard on Chain and ADA. Let's do like 90%. You could do that too. And then these ones, they have to stay at 5%. So let's do 2x, 2x, 2x. Let's put our money on Cardano pretty much. All right, so let's do that. And then in 1 minute and 25 seconds, it'll start again. So let's go to start race. You have to hit that start race to come to this screen to start it. Oh, and it looks like it's starting right now, I guess. So it looks like I'm in 40th place. Let's see if I could win one on the video. I've won, I think, like a total of maybe 3 or 4 races. Like I said, I came in first once, and then I've came in top 10 like a couple times. I think I've earned around, yeah, right here. Oh, let's see. I think that's mine, .28. I think I might have won 4 times actually. And you can go back and see your past race results, which is also kind of cool. But I just think this is pretty cool. So my car is free, and these ones, I think they've probably paid for them, or those ones are free ones too. But I just think it's kind of cool how you can just kind of pick different coins, and it looks like I'm coming up a little bit, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to break through. No, still top 27. So yeah, let's go back. Let's go to quick game, and then I'll show you. If we go, where is it? If we go to your profile, and then you go to history, you can see, actually, where is it? My races up here, and then you can come back over here and see I got a win right here, and I won .01, and then I got a win right here for .12. And if we go back, these are all the races that I've done. I won one right here at .01. Let's see, what else? Another one here at .02. So out of all these races, that's kind of what I've been that's kind of what I'm reading. And this is kind of my strategy. Like I said, we have trading view over here, and then I just got all those coins that are on there, and I just set them up in a nice little group. I could kind of just scroll through them. See, it looks like basic attention tokens doing good right now. It looks like it's kind of breaking out. So what I'll do is, I mean, we don't even have to, I could just look at them pretty much and just see if they're gonna, if it looks like they're popping like this, then I'll pick that coin, do 2x. If, like right now, let's do another one. We'll do basic attention token. Let's go to basic attention. Let's see if I could do this real quick. There's 30 seconds left. Basic attention token, 90%. 2x. Let's just do Ethereum and Doge. Bitcoin. Continue. Start race. Yeah, made it. All right. So, yeah. I mean, and like as you can see, it's just you just pick your coins, start the race, and hope for the best. Let's see if I can get one on the thing though. Starting out pretty nice. I'm in top 24 at least. Let's see if we could hold that or push through a little bit more. It's because I chose 90% basic attention token. These guys are probably doing the same thing though. Yeah, these guys are looking at Engine and Monero though. That's the one that's winning so far. I'm in top 24 though. Let's see if we could break through. If maybe Ethereum. I should have put more in Ethereum, but it's all good. This is basically just how you do it, and as you can see, top 24. Let's see if we can get higher. or basically like I was showing you, I have gotten some wins, so that is pretty cool. I mean, out of all those races. So yeah, I'm not really sure. The cars are pretty expensive, so you'd probably, I don't know. It's what I kind of want to do is maybe trade the token for a while, maybe put some in and just trade it for a while, and then maybe kind of buy NFTs with the tokens that profit on. I don't know. I don't know what my game plan is honestly on this. I kind of want to get a car, but honestly, it seems like even the lower ones, like this one would be cool, a super, and then that would get you a super if you got like first, second, or third on a super. You'd get two for first, one for second, and point 0.6 for third. So that's what I mean though. I mean, I won a 0.12 on first for free. But you have for third you'd win zero point 0.6 for a super, and that's like a $4,000 car right here at this point because it's 1,000 tokens and it costs, each token is around $4 and something. I mean, it's actually 4,000 something and some change. So yeah, I mean, it is an NFT, and I think they are making newer, I mean, next games. So I mean, they're making a second one, should I say, and it's going to be more 3D. Or I mean, that's just what I saw. They have a web page. When you go to their web page, they have a link in the bottom, and it says to go to or to check out the next game. But it's weird because when you're signed in, it's not the same as when you first get to the page. So yeah, but like I said, I've already earned. Let's see. Let's go in here. I've earned .16 IOI token so far, just for free. So yeah, I suggest you guys check it out, and you guys should use the link in the description in the comments to hook it up and maybe support the channel. Like I said, it's cool and free. I did the technical analysis on IOI, so if you want to check that video out, check out this video right here. Click on this video and I'll see you in that video and you can check it out. It's done pretty good, so check this out right here.